So first we're going to start by removing the faucet. Now your unit might actually have a screw holding it in place on the base, so check there first before taking it off. Mine did not.
See, this is actually, here's the replacement for the new one, and it doesn't have this piece here. I'm wondering if this is broken off from inside the faucet.
Okay, so it wasn't a piece broken off into the faucet. It is actually the copper piping coming all the way through. On mine, it was actually soldered in place. They didn't have a threaded pipe to be able to screw this on, so they soldered theirs on. I don't know why I didn't even think of it earlier, but I was lucky enough I didn't damage anything when I was trying to get it off. But something to think about, because you do not want to break any of that piping or anything like that and making a huge problem for yourself. So if yours is soldered into place, you cannot replace it without getting into a bigger project. I left mine in place, the old one, and then just put the new faucet on top of it. One thing you could do though is you could still replace the O-ring on the old one. Mine was still good, so I was able to just move forward and finish the project. But I wanted to share that with you because I would hate for you guys to make a silly mistake that I almost made when I was trying to do this simple project. Okay, now that we avoided tragedy there, we're just going to take some plumber's valve grease and put it around that O-ring. And then the next step here, you'll see me put some tape on that back thread. That's actually not needed for that, but I had it on there and I left it. It hasn't given me an issue, but it is a step that was unnecessary. And now we can thread the faucet back on. First, I counterclockwise just to get the threads to catch correctly so we don't cross any, and then we were able to tighten it down.
We'll try here.
Making sure no water's coming out of there. And it should be just a little bit of a dribble here, that's it. Not like what it was doing before where it's just like really spewing out water.
Okay, now that we have it all complete, we just need to dry this off and then add a bead of silicone caulking around here, as well as inside in the pipe. Once you have this off, you can add some silicone caulking around the actual 1/2 inch copper piping there too, to help make sure that water doesn't seep into the wall.
Well, there you go. We're able to fix that leaky tub, and we avoided some major disasters that could have happened. I hope by sharing this video, it'll help you guys get your leaky tub fixed, but more importantly, it can help you avoid any issues or mistakes that really could cost you in the long run. If it's your first time here with the channel, thank you for watching. We'd love to earn your subscription, as it really does help us out as a channel. And if you're returning, thank you again for all the support that you guys have done. The channel's growing, and it is pretty amazing from where we started to where we are now. So thank you so much. And until next time, thanks for buzzing by. You take care.